Dan here at stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to follow up on Apple, a stock that I had looked at here in the free chart video a few days ago. This is starting its earnings run. This is what I was talking about. Now, the stock is now, it hit 600 today, right on the nose, and sold off. Do you know why that is? Because I'll bet there was more than like 5 or 6 shares for sale at 600, like where traders said, you know what, when Apple gets back to 600, that's when I'll be selling my position, or that's when I'll short the stock, whatever. Orders tend to cluster around the even figure. Why is that important? Because that goes both ways. If Apple starts to trade above 600 bucks, you're going to see these Bollinger Bands spread out quite a bit. And do you know why? Because the stock will continue to move higher, dragging the upper Bollinger Band along with it, which causes a corresponding decline in the lower Bollinger Band. Do you know why that is? Because at any given time, these things are centered around the 20-day or 20-period moving average. At any given time, the distance from the 20-period moving average below the band is the same as the distance from the 20-day moving average to the upper band. So as the price starts marching higher, faster and faster, it's dragging this upper band along, it's dragging the 20-day moving average along, but it's accelerating versus the 20-day moving average. So that drives the lower band down as well. The reason I'm mentioning this to you is because sometimes members have a difficult time really kind of understanding what's happening here. But as I look at this right now, this is in a bit of a volatility squeeze. It's just starting to expand. We know what the catalyst is. The catalyst is earnings right around the end of the month here. So I think Apple's going to reward you if you're long into earnings. After earnings, or when Apple announces earnings, I can't tell you. I'm sitting here around the 4th of July holiday. I don't know. But I do know this. I'm long Apple. I think this is a stock that you want to be long. It's cheap, but I'm not going to pound the table on Apple. It's just another trade, but I'm telling you this. I think this is a profitable trade, and I'll come back and cover this from time to time in these free chart videos. But generally speaking, this is the type of thing that I'll be talking about with members on a daily basis. So, by the way, speaking of which, I don't do this very often, but I will. So I'll say it now. If you haven't subscribed to Stock Market Mentor, give it a free, a risk-free 30-day shot. I promise you, you're going to learn something. Even if you don't stick around, you're going to walk away a better trader. So get that done. Happy 4th of July, everyone, and I'll see you back here on Thursday.